Welcome! To access the right features, start by selecting your role as either a trader or a customs agent. While this tutorial uses the trader role, from the dashboard, go to Regularity Compliances.
For this walkthrough, we are reviewing the records for the Federal Seed Certification and Registration Department. First, tap on Release Order. This page displays your records organized into two menus, In Queue and Provisionally Approved. You can use the search bar to quickly find a specific release order. Once you see your Federal Seed Agency records, simply tap on any entry. This will open the Detail view, where you can review all the specific information for that record. If you need to switch categories, just tap back to return to. Next, tap on Seed Enlistment. This page provides a full list of your enlistment records. Just like before, you can use the search function to filter for specific records from the Federal Seed Certification Department. To see more, tap on the record of your choice. The app will then display the full details associated with that specific seed enlistment.